Bro, the market opened strong, but by midday the story is changing completely. Nifty broke above 26,000, Bank Nifty again touched its crucial 59,420 zone, and despite all the strength, the VIX is falling even further. This combination is rare, and whenever it happens, the second half of the day never behaves normally. The real question now is whether this strength will expand into a trend, or whether the market is quietly setting up for a reversal in the second half. Bank Nifty opened at 59,401 and once again made an attempt to break the same zone we discussed in the pre-market video, the 59,420 to 59,545 band. And bro, this is the most important detail of the day. Bank Nifty hit 59,421, which is almost exactly the resistance level where the market decides whether today will trend or stay sideways. This tells us the bulls are trying, but they haven't been able to trigger a clean breakout yet. Looking at the Bank Nifty heat map, the leadership is very clear. IDFC First Bank is up 1.75%, Axis Bank is up 1.29%, IndusInd Bank is up 1.01%, and ICICI Bank is also in the green. HDFC Bank is slightly positive, and Federal Bank is also holding gains. The only notable weak names are SBI at minus 0.14%, PNB at minus 0.12%, Bank of Baroda at minus 0.23%, and AU Bank at minus 0.54%. This tells us something very important. Private banks are leading today's rally, while some PSU banks are taking a breather. This is exactly why Bank Nifty is strong but still struggling to break out fully. The Nifty opened at 25,971 and quickly jumped towards 26,038, creating a smooth bullish extension from yesterday's rally. By midday, Nifty is trading around 26,030, up 132 points. Even more important is the intraday structure. The index dipped towards 25,938 earlier in the session, absorbed all selling pressure, and climbed back up steadily. This shows that buyers still maintain complete control of the index, and every dip is being bought. The Nifty heat map is equally interesting. Tata Steel is up 2.64%, Hindalco up 2.61%, L&T up 1.78%, JSW Steel up 1.74%, and Maruti, Nestle, Adani Ports, Grasim, Reliance, and others are all in the green. Only a few stocks like Asian Paints, HUL, ITC, SBI Life, Infosys, Max Healthcare and ONGC are pulling back slightly. What this confirms is that the rally is still broad-based. It is not a one-sector-driven move. Metals, private banks, autos and some consumer names are driving the market higher. SGX Nifty remains steady around 26,129, up plus 103 points. Even during midday, SGX is not showing any signs of weakness, which means global traders are not expecting a strong correction in India today. Dow Futures are up 121 points, S&P Futures are slightly positive. And even though Nasdaq Futures are down by 18 points, the global structure remains supportive. European futures such as DAX and FTSE are also trading in the green. This confirms that the global mood is not against the Indian rally. Crude oil is trading higher with WTI at 58.04 and Brent at 61.70. Which is supportive for energy stocks but slightly negative for paint and aviation sectors. Copper is mildly positive, which supports metal stocks, and we are already seeing that in Tata Steel and Hindalco. The USD INR pair is at 90.73, slightly higher but still stable. This helps the IT sector maintain its structure even though the Nasdaq was a bit weak earlier. Bro, if you haven't watched the ICICI Prudential IPO breakdown yet, you're missing out on one of the cleanest and most detailed IPO analyses on the channel. I've covered GMP expectations, fundamentals, and listing strategy in a simple and powerful way. After this video, go watch the ICICI Prudential IPO analysis. The link is in the description. The Nifty VIX has fallen to 10.06, dropping more than 3% today. This is extremely low volatility. And bro, this is where things get tricky. Low VIX usually creates smooth trend days, but sometimes it creates a trap because traders become overconfident. If VIX starts rising after 1:30 p.m., expect sudden swings in the market. But right now, the environment remains calm and bullish. What to expect in the second half? Bro, this is where everything comes together. Nifty is holding above 26,000. Bank Nifty has tested 59,421, the exact breakout zone, but has not yet closed above it. Metals are leading, private banks are strong, and VIX is extremely low. If Bank Nifty closes above 59,420 in the next hour or so, the market can turn into a clean trendy finish. But if Bank Nifty fails here again, we may slip into a sideways or slow upward grind. Keep your eyes on Bank Nifty more than Nifty because it is the real driver of momentum today. So friends, this is the midday scenario of the market. If you found this video useful, like and share the video to your trading groups and subscribe to Wealth Maama.